Many slate roofs have gone past their lifespan. They sit there, forgotten, rotting, and away from anyone's view. They're only occasionally noticed on rainy days, when it's flowing, and Uncle John says, "Dear God, what is that drip?" Christmases go by, and family members forget to give them gifts, or stop by to share a meal with them. Oh wait! Are we talking about slates? Well, anyways, there is help. We have been visiting poor old slates for decades, and we are experts on how to evaluate, replace, and replenish your poor slate roof condition. We visited quarries, journeyed to other countries to gather ideas to better clad your roofs in the best slate. So please give our very own Randy Rollins a direct call on his cell phone, and his team will zoom out to you as soon as humanly possible. Please don't wait any longer. Don't neglect your precious roof any longer.